This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby, guys. We're cracking 5 boxes of 2014 Top Supreme Baseball. This is an eBay break, guys. I will run through the eBay usernames with their teams here. Give you guys the lineup real quick. I Got It Ripkins got the Orioles, Astros, Dodgers, and Nationals. Colt MC45's got the Red Sox and Cubs. Will Money has got the Angels, Twins, and Royals. Puffa 5757's got the Brewers, Padres, Blue Jays, and Phillies. Going to See Jesus has got the Rays and the Mariners. GRG 2323's got the Reds, White Sox, and Indians. DM3 Collects got the Tigers, Athletics, Cardinals, and Diamondbacks. AB McComb has the Rangers. Brian Moe 6065's got the Giants. Snoochie 15's got the Pirates. Ethan 12290's got the Yankees. Palm Bren 6YNWC's got the Mets. Long Sports Cards has got the Marlins. Churros FNBHB's got the Rockies. And TSU Trojan Fans got the Braves, guys. That's your lineup tonight. Let's get right to it, guys. We've got 5 sealed boxes. This is the other half of the 10-box case. We did the first 5 boxes last night. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. One pack, empty box, guys. First hit, guys. First hit. Michael Brantley. The Indians coming out of the gate. First hit, the Indians. Michael Brantley. That is 18 out of 25. Michael Brantley, Supreme Styling, guys. Indians on the board first. Second hit, Matt Adams for the Cardinals. 42 out of 50. Matt Adams. Nice hit for the Cardinals. Mr. Adams. Cardinals on the board. Second box, guys. This break will be pretty quick. Don't blink. Love this product, though. Absolutely love it. Supreme is one of my favorite products. And one pack, empty box, guys. Good to see you, DM3. It's good to see you. Uh-oh. All right, guys. We got a 101. We got a printing plate, guys. 101 printing plate autograph coming up right at you. I'll slide it over, let you guys be suspicious about it, and we'll get the other hit out of the way first. Arizbel Arabarina. I think I said that right. For the Dodgers. Might be the first time I've had to say that guy's name. Haven't pulled him. I've done a lot of Supreme, too. Arabarina for the Dodgers. 13 out of 45, guys. Dodgers. Here you go. Here's your 101. Here's your 101 hit, guys. 101 print and plate autograph. Coming right at you. I don't know if you can tell the team yet or not by the hat. Eddie Butler for the Colorado Rockies. Eddie Butler. Cyan printing plate. Rockies. Eddie Butler. Nice hit there, guys. Nice hit for the Rockies. Very nice. That's the plate there, guys. That's the plate, the 101 plate. Nice hit. Very nice. I know, that name was crazy. Good call, DM3. Eddie Butler for the Rockies. Good call. Here we go. One pack, empty box, guys. First hit, Chris Johnson. Braves, 20 out of 20. Chris Johnson. '20 out of 20, Chris Johnson. Braves, nice hit, supreme styling. And second hit, Koji Uehara for the Red Sox. The Sox. Look at that autograph. Nice, interesting auto. 15 out of 25 on that, guys. Red Sox getting on the board. Red Sox. Box 4. Yeah, a printing plate is what they use to make the cards. So it's a 101, so that's the cyan version. One pack empty box, guys. And there's usually a magenta and things like that. So there's usually a few of them. And being that with Supreme, all the hits are autographs, the printing plates are autographs, which is nice. Okay, first hit, going to the Braves, Tommy La Stella. 19 out of 25, La Stella. Braves, La Stella. Second card, Nick Martinez for the Rangers, 12 out of 20. Nick Martinez, Rangers, 12 out of 20. All right, guys, last box. I'm pulling for you, New York, guys. I'm pulling for everybody. Unpack, empty box. First hit, here we go. Ron Gant for the Braves. Ron Gant. Nice auto, 23 out of 25. Ron Gant. Braves. Braves getting a lot of hits. Nice card there, Gant. And the last hit, Jonathan Lucroy for the Brewers. 15 out of 15. Lucroy. Good catcher. Good NL catcher. 15 out of 15. Jonathan Lucroy. Quick hit recap here, guys. Got Lucroy. Got the Ron Gant for the Braves. 23 of 25. Ron Gant. For the Rangers, Nick Martinez, 12 out of 20. Hit recap here, guys. Tommy La Stella for the Braves, 19 out of 25. La Stella. Supreme styling auto. Koji Uehara for the Red Sox, 15 out of 25. See you, DM3. Thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate it. Chris Johnson, 20 out of 20 for the Braves. The printing plate, Eddie Butler. 101 printing plate, Eddie Butler. Nice card. Rockies. And Arabarina for the Dodgers, 13 out of 45. Cardinals, Matt Adams, 42 out of 50. And Michael Brantley, 18 out of 25 for the Indians. All right, guys, I'll be sticking around for a little bit. I really appreciate you guys breaking with us. Please check out the website, cardboardhobby.com. Follow us on Twitter at cardboardhobby. Follow us on eBay. We're always breaking. I'll be sticking around for a little bit, guys. Top Triple Threads following this at 10:30 with Dustin.